Hey guys, this is Ricardo Nadal with the Nadal team at your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. We are here again in Appalachian Farm subdivision. We got this listing that is coming on the market, $850,000. This is probably the best price that we have seen in this neighborhood in the last 3 months. So give us a call, 678-381-8045. If you have a house to sell, give us a call so we can buy your house and you can move up to this house. 678-381-8045. Let me tell you a little bit about this property. Four-side brick. You got 6 bedrooms, about 5,000 square feet. This is ready to go right now. We're not going to show you inside yet because they're not ready for us to show inside. But this is a house that you probably want to give us a call on. The last one that we had here, we got over 30 people in the open house. It went for $75,000 over asking price. So if you have a house to sell and you're looking for a house in Appalachian Farms, in the Cula Golf Course community, great neighborhood, give us a call, 678-381-8045. We can buy your house so you can buy this one. Ricardo Nadal with the Nadal team at your Home Sold Guarantee Realty.